Nice and lovely. Welcome back again in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. Anyway, I'm always talking about preaching how you can detox your body and, you know what I mean, look after yourself. But this is just a drink with apple cider vinegar and lemon, ginger, cucumber and some fresh mint. So all you need to do, full of glass, put some fresh mint, fresh cucumber and also some lemon and some ginger. And all you need to do is just put a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in your water and drink it. That's from Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. When you drink this, guys, honestly, you will see some powerful results in your own system. So thank you so much for watching my show. We got a lot more ideas and a lot more recipe coming like this. So just to share with my fans them, or you can detox your body. And also, if it doesn't have fresh ginger, you can use a little bit of the ginger powder in it like this. All right, give it a star. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. We got a lot more ideas and a lot more recipe coming your way from Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. One more time again, stay tuned. Lovely and nice. So basically, I want to simply say to you, this is it right here. And what we're going to do is simply show you exactly what I'm gonna do. I got a glass right here, and all I'm going to do is pop a pinch of cinnamon inside of the water. And then we're going to pour some water in the glass like this. Get a piece of fresh mint, put in the water just like this. Just a little piece of, you know, if you want to make like a big, say a big jug or a big glass or a big, you know what I mean, big container, and put it in the fridge and drink it right straight through the day, is good to go. I want to simply say to you, the best time to drink this is in the morning before your breakfast and at night when you're going to your bed. So basically, I'm gonna do a few pieces of sliced ginger, put it straight in the water like that, and then a few slices of cucumber, straight in the water, lemon, anyway, I just want to say this is exactly what I'm talking about. All you need to do is just to leave all of these ingredients in the water for roughly about 6 hours, then you drink it. Or it is good for you to make it from now and, you know what I mean, leave it overnight. It's even better. So guys, hopefully you just like this recipe, and please subscribe. You can detox your body. And now it is in a cold winter time now, we should be talking about some hot drink and some soup and some, you know what I mean. But I want to simply say to you, to my fans them, that you have to detox your body and look after yourself. No one can look after your but yourself. All right guys, so as you can see right here, this is how it look. So please detox your body, look after yourself, drink this in the morning before you eat your breakfast, and one at night before you go to your bed. Thank you so much for watching my show. We got a lot more ideas and a lot more recipe, and as you can see, fresh ginger, fresh lemon, fresh cucumber and fresh mint, fresh water and some cinnamon, which is good for you. Drink this, 1 glass, 5 mornings straight. You will see some result in your system. You detox your body and cleanse your own entire body and help you to lose weight also. Thank you so much for watching. Tune in and see you next time. Bye bye. Lovely drink. See you next time. Bye bye.